So when I look at this question, I can see that I'm looking for the total amount run over the weekend. And so I'm going to find my two amounts and see that I have two different units of measure. So I'm going to convert either feet to inches, feet to miles, or miles to feet. And so because I want to and no other reason, I'm going to convert my miles to feet. And so using my calculator, I can see that the 2.4 miles is 12,672 feet. And now I can add that with the other amount of feet ran for my total distance ran. It's always important to remember what number you are finding and what it represents. So when I add these two amounts together, I get a total of 19,930 feet. So I know that my answer is correct, or at least I feel that I found it in the correct way. But again, this is a multiple choice question, so we need to find the appropriate answer. So when I look at my answer choices, I can see that I have an amount here that is incredibly close to my answer. So I'm wondering if I made a slight calculation error, or if perhaps that's a trick answer. So I'm going to take this amount and I'm going to convert it to miles. And I'm doing that by dividing by 5,280 for my total distance in miles. And I can see that I am getting 3.7746, and the decimal is continuing on. So now I'm looking at an amount 3.77, and if I round appropriately, it does match. And I'm also getting this amount that is incredibly close. I know these two are incorrect. So I'm confident that 3.77 miles is correct, but I'm a little bit worried with how close this other one is. So I'm going to go back and double check all of my calculations to make sure they were done correct. So first we converted 2.4 miles to feet. So I'm going to recalculate that. And when I recalculate it, I can see that I got the right number. So now I'm going to add my two amounts of feet together again. And when I recalculate, I am getting the same number. So I am confident that this is not accurate. And this is a much more accurate answer. And that would be the correct answer. So when we're solving these problems, we're faced with multiple challenges. We need to make sure that we are converting measurements into the same unit while solving. We're solving for the correct question. And we're also really evaluating our answer choices and making sure we're selecting the appropriate one.